To integrate cotx dx, we come and say cotx can also be written as cos x out of sine of x. So therefore, when you have to substitute it back, we come and say integral of cot x dx is equal to the integral of cos x out of sine x dx. So we use change of variables. We let our u to be equal to sine x. So differentiating it, when we differentiate it, we shall have du dx is equal to cos x. So we make dx the subject, so dx is equal to du out of cos x. So when we substitute it back, our integral of cot x dx will equal to the integral of our cos x out of u times du out of cos x. So we can cancel cross cos x. So we have our integral of 1 out of u du. But the integral of 1 out of u with respect to u is ln u plus c. So substituting back at the u, we have ln of sine x plus c. As simple as that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy mathematics. So our integral of cot x will equal to dx equal to ln sine x plus c. As simple as this. Please give this video a like. Thank you.